Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to gift Dota 2 items to friends. Gifting items is useful for sharing cosmetics or sending presents during events. First, open Dota 2. Head to your armory and select all items. Right-click the item you want to gift, then choose Gift Wrap Item. Select your friend and confirm the gift. Some items are trade locked or giftable only once, so check item restrictions before sending. Make sure your friend has been on your friends list for at least 30 days, or the trade may be blocked. And that's how to gift Dota 2 items to friends. Thank you so much for watching.